à toutes et à tous les gars, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour l'épisode 19 de The Legend of Heroes, Troll Cold Steel. Alors aujourd'hui, on va aller direction à North Highlands pour un nouveau field study. Oui, on va à la station Trista. Cette fois, pour cette aventure de révision, on va aller avec Alisa, Gaius, Milstein et Judith. 3 garçons, 2 filles, parce qu'on joue avec Ryan aussi. Hein, ils sont déjà prêts à partir. Oh, Reen! You're ready to depart too, I see. Yeah, we were about to leave. Je sens qu'il y aura de la dispute dans le groupe de Machias. Don't you still need to purchase your tickets? Oh yeah, you're right. It looks like we'll be traveling together as far as Heimdall this time. Very low. Well, let's stop the line and buy them already. Toi, t'es pas vraiment patient, Judith. Ok. Good morning, Class 7. I heard Group A is heading all the way out to the North Highlands this month. Eh ben, c'est nous. You heard right. We'll need to change the trains twice, first in Heimdall, then in Ruhr, right? Correct. From Ruhr, you'll need to transfer to a freight line for the last leg of your journey. Regrettably, we can't handle that part of your trip here. Actually, it seems arrangements have already been made for that segment. We should only need to buy tickets for as far as Ruhr. And that won't be a problem then. Do you want them right now? What? Certainly. Okay, that's 5 passengers bound for Ruhr. I'll have those tickets for you in just a moment. Donc là, on va aller à Ruhr ou au North Highlands, car là, on doit partir à North Highlands, d'après l'épisode 18. Après qu'on était face à la classe 1. Ryan, tu prends du temps à avancer. Ah non, tu dois prendre tes tickets. C'est bien. J'espère que Ryan et Alisa vont pas faire du n'importe quoi. Eux deux là, j'ai des petits suspicions sur eux, hein. Coquine, bah. Passenger service bound for Heimdall now arriving on platform 2. We ask that all passengers wishing to board please wait on the platform until the train has come to a complete stop. I say we timed that pretty well. Impeccable timing. True. Quoi, t'es fatigué ou fille ou quoi? It seems there's a 2-woman cold from blowing your way. Well, don't worry about us. We'll see what we can do that thaw them out. Yeah, just don't expect them to be weaving each other flower crowns when we get back, okay? Alright, we leave them to you then. Good luck. Et dans les derniers épisodes, non seulement qu'on était face à la classe 1, on a reçu une lettre d'une personne qui s'appelle Ellie Schwarzer. Donc là, on va bientôt commencer cette enquête. On va peut-être en parler du personnage Ellie Schwarzer pour savoir c'est qui, pour faire une enquête pendant le field study. Et là, on se concentre de ce qui se passe là maintenant.
So it'll be interesting to see how they use it. I just hope Wario is voiced by Danny DeVito because that would be perfect casting. The Mario Galaxy movie got another leak, and if it's true...
Ok, on est prêt à partir. Pourquoi on prend le même train? Wow, these sandwiches really hit the spot. Bah bon appétit alors. Ham, lettuce, and cheese. And I'm getting a hint of pickle in there too. The ingredients are simple enough, but the way they come together is something special. Toi, t'es même pas spécial, arrête de parler. Even the butter tastes different from what I'm used to. Ouais, bah tes lunettes sont différentes. And this tea is equally perfect. The sweetness of the lemon complements the taste perfectly. Comparément à ta taille, t'as la taille de ton grand frère, toi. You have quite the maid looking after you. Well, mother hired her, not me. She's a talented maid, though, I won't deny that. Ouais, les dames de ménage de mon collège est meilleure que Sharon, hein, donc chut. She handles the typical housework and greeting guests, as you'd expect, but she also manages mother's schedule. Wow! Managing the company chairman's schedule doesn't really sound like part of the typical maid's job description. She really is that talented though, which is why I can't work out why my mother sent her to look after me. Non seulement c'est ta dame de ménage, mais c'est ton babysitter. Those two are up to something, I just know it. Mais qu'est-ce que tu crois, toi? Regardless, there are definitely perks to having her around. I think you should accept your mother's kindness. T'as tout à fait raison, Gaius. I agree, she must have started working before sunrise to prepare all this for us. I know. Anyway, look at those two. Toi, regarde Réane. Hein. De qui tu parles là, Lisa? So we're heading to Bryonia Island this time. All I know about it is that it holds some sort of ancient ruins. I'm not certain what to expect. Come to think of it, this will be the first time I've had a chance to see the ocean. T'as jamais vu l'océan une seule fois de ta vie ou quoi, Elliot? What about you two? Now that you mention it, I've never seen it either. Vous avez jamais vu de l'océan une seule fois de votre life. Vous êtes malade mental. I have. Oh, really? During a landing operation in the corpse. Oh, speaking of ruins, Legram has some fairly well-known ruins, doesn't it, Laura? Oh, yeah, the Saint's Castle or something like that. You must be referring to Lorhengrin Castle. It's a magnificent stronghold that faces out onto the lake. You can see it from the town itself. It's quite beautiful on the days when the mist clears. Oh wow. It sounds like a sight worth seeing. Seems like you'd be in trouble if a skilled sniper set himself up here. Doesn't sound like they're getting along very well. Hein? Comment ça? I feared as much. I doubt he is doing it on purpose. Laura seemed uncharacteristically offended by it too. Yeah, she's usually so composed, but something about... Ah, j'ai pas pu lire le reste, j'ai accident. On m'a appuyé sur X, je suis bête, je suis un gros bête. On s'approche vers Heimdall.
Absolutely have not seen yet. The inclusion of Bowser Jr. makes sense. He was pretty relevant to the story of the Galaxy game. Wario is pretty interesting. Obviously, these movies don't strictly follow the games, but Wario really has
Heimdall Central Station.
mostly this spin-off sport game guy. So it'll be interesting to see how they use it. I just hope Wario
On est déjà allé là-bas ou pas?
because that would be perfect.
Car ça me fait penser à la station de train de Barai à Hard. C'est un peu similaire. It never ceases to amaze me just how big Heimdall Station is. I've heard it said that it's not merely the largest station in Eberbonia, but on the entire continent. I'm unaware of another station that can match the 10 tracks found here. When I first transferred lines here on the way to Trista, the amount of people I saw really threw me for a loop. But it's not surprising that there aren't as many folks around this early in the morning. Sorry, I don't think we're going to be able to do this. Hang on, you can't give it up already. Now hopeless. How hopeless, je veux dire. Well, don't worry about it too much. The most important thing is that we've all come back safe and sound. Everything else is secondary. I suppose you're right. We'll try and keep things from getting too dangerous at least. Mais de quoi vous parlez, vous, sur les trucs dangereux? Anyway, this is where we split up. If you're traveling toward Ordis, you'll be heading west, right? Indeed. Meanwhile, Group A will need to travel northeast to Ruhr first. I'm so jealous you get to visit Gaia's homeland. You better tell us all about it when you get back. Will do. Take care, everyone. V, Laura, you both take care too. And we'll see you all next week. Quite. Bah bonne chance à vous, hein? C'est qui ça? C'était qui? C'était qui elle? C'est qui elle? Qu'est-ce qu'elle veut? Pourquoi black-haired girl? Elle a des cheveux violettes. C'est elle, Ellie Schwarzer? Attends, et là c'est qui cette fois? Ce n'est pas Princesse Alphine? Hey! T'admires qui là? Hey! Mon gars, on est sûrement en train de faire une enquête. On va voir si c'est vraiment Elise. Ah ouais, c'est qui alors? Ton frère? Comment je ne connais pas ton frère? Oh, elle va être un peu gênante dans le jeu. Je suis choqué de voir. Hein? Il a une chérie, pourquoi tu le complimentes? Tu vas la rendre jalouse. Chut. MDR et PTDR aussi. Oh, arrête de te plaindre, jeune fille. C'est qui cette fois? Ah, Captain Clark, coucou. Ça faisait longtemps qu'on vous a pas vu. Tu nous as tous fait mal aux oreilles. Eh, arrête de l'appeler votre majesté, c'est même pas une vraie princesse. Pourquoi t'es obligé de lever ta robe? What the hell, bro? On a appris la vérité là, mais on a toujours des choses à faire pour cette enquête. Oh mon dieu, on est toujours au train là, direction Roer pour aller à... Attends, Heimdall. Ou Roer, je m'en souvenais plus. Ok, je m'en souvenais plus. Totalement, 100%. Alright, let me tell you a bit more about the North Highlands. On t'écoute Gaius, avec du respect bien sûr. The North Highlands are mountainous regions in the northeast of Erebonia. To get there, we'll need to cross the Isengard Range. That's the mountain range to the north of Ruhr. I'm guessing we'll need to pass through quite a few tunnels to get to the other side. Pretty much, we went through quite a few when I was originally traveling to Trista. Anyway, when you reach the other side, you'll be in the North Highlands, surrounded on every side by mountains. Other than the Imperial Army's bases, the only place you'll find people is in nomadic settlements, like the one I'm from. If anything, we have more sheep than people. Wow, really? I'm starting to feel like we're traveling to a country locked in time or something. Hey, it sounds like a scene right out of a picture book. In addition to the scenery, the North Highlands are also well known for the breeding and raising of horses. Most of the war horses used by the Imperial Army are descended from Highland stock. Toi, juste parce que toi t'as un club de cheveux, vous êtes obligé de parler de ça. That's true, horses are essential to the livelihoods of the folks in my village. Raising horses to be used by the Erebonians is one of my people's primary sources of income. Come to think of it, I seem to remember hearing that the horse we have at home was raised in Nord too. Isn't that also true of the horses the Riding Horse Club uses? Correct, all of them originally came from the Order. Even the golden stallion of the Empire's emblem is said to depict a war horse raised in the Highlands. Or so the story goes, at least. The Order has deep historical ties to the Empire. We know today that it's where Empire's Draco's first started building his army after all. That's right, the Imperial army still maintains a base on the south from each of the highlands, Zendergate. That's as far north as the trains can take us. I see. We should arrive there somewhere around 4 in the afternoon then. Yeah, but it's just past 8 a.m. now. We should reach Ruhr Station by midday. After that, we have another 4 or so hours on the freight train to Nord. Looks like we're in it for the long haul. Still, we won't get chances like this often, so let's try and make the most of it. Not too much longer now. I guess this will be your first time back home since you started outdoors, right? Does he feel a little awkward going back after you ran away from home? A little, yeah. At least we're only changing trains there, so I don't have to leave the station. I haven't been in Ruhr since I switched lines there on the way to Trista. Alright, I almost forgot, if you came from Ymir, you had to have gone through Ruhr. I visited you near once when I was a kid, but I haven't been there since. I remember it being a really nice place though. The scenery was so beautiful. Oh, I didn't know you'd actually been. Yeah, it really is beautiful. A place that nice doesn't really fit a guy like me. Are you still sulking over what that twit said during our last practical exam? Peg the House of High Arms, let a mind in their fool of a first son even less. I don't think he meant most of those awful things he said. Yeah, it seemed like his anger just got the better of him. I'll bet he regretted it later. And regardless of what he thinks, we all think you're a swell guy, as a classmate and as a friend, so don't be so hard on yourself. Thanks guys, it means a lot to hear you say that. Hey, you're so hopeless sometimes, Reen. Allez, on va jouer avec qui? Gaius, vas-y Gaius, on va faire une petite partie de Blade. Vas-y, qui commence? Vas-y. Oh le tricheur. Oh le tricheur. Oh le tricheur, il fait que de spammer des bolts là. Ouais, vas-y, donne-moi ça là. Je suis intelligent, t'as vu ça? Oh le bête. Égalité, let's go. Allez. Ah, je me suis trompé. Vas-y, au tour de jouer avec Milstein. Oh ouais, ça se voit que t'es forte, donc je vais pas aller facile avec toi. C'est du Uno. Oh mais je suis bête là, faut que je refais là. Je suis bête, attends. Milstein, une revanche s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît, une revanche. Sache que je vais pas aller facile avec toi, hein, parce que toi t'es forte. Mais qu'est-ce que... J'ai rien compris. Bon bah, on va arrêter. Là, on sauvegarde. Sauvegarde. Tactique. Ok, Jusis, à toi que je vais jouer face à... Vas-y, carré. Allez, qui joue? Mhm. Oh le bête, oh le gros bête. Donne-moi ça. Oh le bête. Tu rigoles avec moi là. J'ai. Oh, j'ai pas voulu appuyer ça, désolé, Judis. Encore une fois, mais t'es sérieux? Oh là là. Hein? Tu me racontes quoi là? Bon bah au moins on a progressé dans le jeu. Ok, vas-y, on arrête de parler, nanani, nanana. Schwarz Drake Barrier. Hein? C'est pas le nom de famille de Ryan, tu vois, la moitié de son Schwarz. Schwarzer. Hey. 11h50. Bientôt midi. Bah alors fallait manger votre plat à midi au lieu d'aller au train directement pour le manger. The Ministry of Railways wishes to thank all passengers for their patronage. This special express line is bound for Ruhr. Our next stop is Ruhr, the terminus of this express line. Please ensure you have all of your belongings with you when disembarking the train. Here we are. This is my first visit to the Empire's industrial metropolis. Actually, it's my first time too. I passed through when I first came to the academy. But even then, I could see why people associate with industry. It feels like the whole city is one big mass of iron. Yeah, it really does have that vibe. What are those cone-shaped towers out in the distance anyway? Those are the orbital generators for the industrial plants. There are tons of large factories in the city, so they need those to create all the orbital energy needed to power them. Wow, really? If I wasn't seeing it for myself, I'd be hard-pressed to imagine it like this.
The inclusion of Bowser Jr. makes sense. It was pretty relevant to the story of the Galaxy games. But Wario is pretty interesting. Obviously, these movies don't strictly follow the games, but Wario
Roar Station. Bienvenue à Roar alors les amis. On doit descendre? Eh ben il me semble bien qu'on vient de descendre. Well, we finally made it as far as Ruhr. We'll need to transfer to a freight line to reach the North Highlands from here, right? Right, there'll be a freight train leaving from platform 4 that we need to board. Platform 4 is up the staircase and to the left, I think. Alright, let's not waste any time then. Allez, faut faire vite là. Alors faut aller où? Wesh. Et nous on est où là? On est là. Et on doit... Oh là là, faut que je me retourne là pour changer. J'ai deux directions, pardon. Je peux même pas y aller là-bas. Comment je vais faire pour aller là-bas? Bah, il y a des escaliers devant, donc je peux aller directement là-bas. Je sprint, bien sûr, logique. On est monté là ou quoi? Y'a quoi, Milstein? Come to think of it, it's already past noon. Punaise. Perhaps we should purchase some lunches for the rest of our journey. Je vous ai dit de manger votre déjeuner à midi là. Pourquoi vous avez rien écouté? Sounds like a plan. We still have another 4 hours to go. We're going to need to eat something between now and dinner. Bon, vous allez manger quelque chose chez Alisa plutôt, oui. It seems highly unlikely a freight train will be equipped with vending machines or other such comforts either. We'll need to go through the ticket gate then. Qu'est-ce que tu racontes? There's a shop in the main part of the station that sells pre-packed lunches. Hein? Je reconnais... Non. Sharon, mais qu'est-ce que... Sharon, qu'est-ce que t'as fait? Comment t'as fait pour venir vers nous là-bas? Oui, comment t'as fait?
The power of my love for you allows me to do the impossible, my lady.
Mais dis-moi comment t'as fait pour aller à Vendoux?
And as you'll see,
Recopieuse de train, va. On t'a même pas vu dans le train. On t'a même pas vu dans le train.
I do hope you'll enjoy them.
Oh mon dieu, je suis étonné. Et qu'est-ce qu'elle va faire? Elle va venir à Roer aussi?
We really appreciate you going to all the trouble to make these for us.
True. That said, I'm really curious how you got here before us. It seems that the Reinford family's maid enjoys a little amusement at the expense of her employer. I imagine you transferred to an airship in the capital.
Ah,
Ah, y'a quoi, Madame Ringford?
Of course, what did I think of that? You can cut the time from Heimdall to Roer in half if you travel by airship, I think.
you got me.
Tu veux qu'elle aille à l'aéroport ou quoi?
I took advantage of the opportunity to borrow the airship's kitchen so I could make your lunches as well.
Donc t'es allé à l'aéroport pour aller nous trouver.
They're quite fresh, so take a moment to savor the taste. Well, thank you.
We really do appreciate all you're doing for us.
Honestly, I knew you had to be up to something.
Qu'est-ce que t'en sais, toi? Et pourquoi t'es fâché?
You're not planning on coming all the way to the North Highlands with us now, are you?
C'est ce que je pense, moi.
I'd love to, but unfortunately, I have some other business I must attend to.
Ah ouais, t'as quoi comme autre business à faire?
I may not be able to return to Trista for a while either.
Oh bah dommage.
Other business? Sharon will be assisting me with my work.
C'est pas Captain Claire ce que j'entends? C'est qui ça? Hey, c'est la daronne d'Alisa.
Hello, Elisa.
Tiens, tiens, tiens.
You all must be members of Class 7.
Bah oui. C'est pas Irina Ringford? Oui, je le savais, je le savais.
I'm Elisa's mother, Irina,
Ouais.
also the chairman of the Rhineford Group.
Donc c'est toi la Sherman qu'on disait tout le temps quand Sherman nous a fait un plat.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is ours. I'm Reed Schwarzer.
Lui, c'est son mec. Lui là, c'est le mec d'Alisa, Madame Ringford.
Pleased to meet you. My name is Emma Milstein.
Elle, c'est sa bestie.
Gaius Forzel. Glad to make your acquaintance. Eustace Alvarez. Pleasure.
I'm glad you're all managing to get along with my obstinate daughter.
Je t'ai dit que Ryan et Alisa sont en couple.
I wish I could stay a while, but unfortunately I have work that can't wait.
Bah va au travail.
Come along, Sharon. As you wish, Madam Chair. What?
Excuse me, my brother.
Seriously? You show up like this and that's all you have to say?
Oh, pas obligé de te plaindre, Madame Ringford. Oh.
It's always work with you, isn't it?
Elle est obligée de parler comme ça à ses parents.
You probably didn't even notice I left home until I was already gone. Now it's just, hello, Elisa, and that's it?
Oh là là, elle a vraiment perdu la tête là avec ses sourcils.
My lady.
Oh, elle est rageuse. Elle est vraiment rageuse. I think the impression her relationship with her mother wasn't all sunshine and gumdrops. It seems there's a lot of friction between them.
You can live your life however you see fit. I have no intention of forcing the Rhineford Group on you, even if you decide to follow a certain someone's path. Cast aside all sense of responsibility. It's your choice to make.
Oh, c'est bon. Commence pas sinon je vais te gifler.
Besides, I still manage to keep myself informed of the general goings-on in your academic life. In the monthly reports I receive from the Academy. What? I knew Sharon would relay back information about me, but reports from the Academy itself? Must not have known. In addition to my other responsibilities, I also sit on the Academy's board of directors. Oh my, that means
Just like Rufus.
Hmm?
It does appear that way. I'd certainly deem the chairman of the Rhineford Group a canny choice as a member of the board.
the Rhineford Group is heavily involved in the development of the Orville staff, as well as your Arcus.
Comment elle sait tout ça?
I'm quite pleased with the reports I've received on your usage of both. I'm looking forward to seeing the results of this month's field study as well. Do give me some good reading, won't you?
Non. Oh, s'il te plaît, ne t'énerve pas encore.
Please excuse us, my lady.
Je crois pas qu'elle va s'excuser, hein. Je crois pas qu'elle va accepter tes excuses, Sharon.
Take care during the rest of your journey.
Merci beaucoup, mais Arilisa, elle va pas être contente. Et toi, tu rages pas. Et qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? T'as envie de pleurer? Ou peut-être elle a mal quelque part, hein, on ne sait pas.
So it'll be interesting to see how they use it. I just hope Wario is voiced by Danny DeVito because that would be perfect casting. The Mario Galaxy movie got another
Ok, la direction North Highlands. Oh là là, on va être encore au train.
Damn it! I thought I finally had her out of my hair, but it looks like she was one step ahead of me this whole time.
Oh, calme-toi, c'est bon. T'arrêtes d'être rageuse. I taken you and your mother aren't on good terms then.
Yeah, I think that much was abundantly clear. Things have been rocky between us for a long time now. Once I left home, that was the first step that led to me enrolling in the academy. But now how was I supposed to know I'd gone and signed up for the school she sits on the board of directors for?
Oh, c'est bon. Oh, t'es pas obligé de crier en plus. Je vois pas qu'on est dans un train, il y aura tout le monde qui va t'entendre.
How could I have been so stupid?
Qui a dit que t'es stupide? Personne. Donc arrête de dire du n'importe quoi.
Why didn't I conduct a more thorough investigation before I made my choice?
Si t'es pas les dents tristes, tu serais pas amoureux de Ryan. Donc chut, arrête de parler. I don't know what to say.
You have our sympathies, I suppose.
Is your mother being on the board of directors really such a problem?
Well, it's complicated. Usually she seems like she's only interested in her work, but then she'll suddenly start meddling in my life. She says to just do what I want, but it always turns out that wherever I go, she's there ahead of me, just like today. I should know something was up. The bank account my grandfather gave me to cover my academy expenses hasn't taken a dip since my first day at Thor's.
So your mother's been paying your bills the whole time.
It does seem like a strong possibility, especially considering her presence on the board of directors.
I can't see what about your Groose scene about. Most people would be grateful to have a parent display of that much interest.
What?
At least your mother spared the time to come and greet us. At least she showed the slightest trace of interest in you and your classmate.
Oh. Use this.
Forget it. Oh là là, mais c'est la folie. Alisa, t'es pas obligé de te plaindre pour tout en fait, c'est pas grand chose. T'as eu tout ça depuis que t'étais un bébé. Allez, North Highlands, on arrive. Well, we just entered a tunnel. The first of many now that we're going through the mountains. I see. Anyway, how about we dig into those lunches Sharon made for us?
That sounds good to me. It seems like she went out of her way to prepare them. Alright.
Mais pourquoi t'es toujours fâché?
If these are sub bars because she had to make do with the airship's Kinson, I won't let her hear the end of it.
Oh mais c'est bon, calme-toi. Well then, let's dig in. Bon appétit les amis. Isengard Branch Line. Wow, so you're going to the Highlands for an academy field study. Sounds like you, Bill. Budding soldiers do some pretty interesting things as part of your training these days. I suppose you could say that.
Thor seems like quite different from most other military academies in that regard, though.
Still, feels pretty neat to see you all dressed up in your uniforms. They look pretty sharp on you. Thanks for the vote of confidence. Even at the academy, Gaius always stands out because of his height.
Yeah, he tells us, oh, even the second years.
Are all of the people in your settlement of a similar height? Nah, I'd say my dad is the only one who really has height on me. My younger brother's fairly short, though I wouldn't doubt he has another growth spur coming his way.
I seem to remember you mentioning you have quite a few siblings.
A younger brother and 2 younger sisters to be exact. They're on the shy side, but I hope you'll get along with them.
He can do.
Oh ouais, maintenant t'es contente. Ouais. Still, if you look through the window, it really feels like we're getting close to the Highlands now. Indeed. Man, seeing you kids rushing off on some adventure kind of makes me jealous. On n'est pas des enfants, on est des adolescents. Anyway, we're about halfway through the Isengard range now. We should reach Zendergate in 2 hours or so. So take this time to relax.
Thank you.
We appreciate the info.
Oh là là.
Did you meet him back in the spring when you were on your way to Trista? Yeah, made this same trip back then too. We had plenty of time to kill, so he taught me a lot about Erebonian culture.
He sounds like a pretty nice guy.
I'll bet that served as a pretty useful primer. There was a lot of people I'm thankful to for helping me come this far. The guidance of the winds and the goddess most of all. The winds and the goddess? Classic Gaius. Zendergate. Et après, North Highlands. Let's go les amis.
Hey, that looks like
We ought to be coming out of the last tunnel any time now.
I see. All these uses, we're almost there.
Tiens, je suis curieux. Oh. Nous y voilà, nous y sommes.
So this is... I can only just make it out in the distance, but it looks like that's it.
So that's the North Highlands. I'll admit it appears even more breathtaking than I was expecting. I'll be even happier to hear you say so once you've seen it up close. Nous sommes arrivés les gars. On est arrivés à North Highlands.
A movie theater chain in El Salvador posted the recent teaser trailer on Instagram, but in the caption they said that Mario and
16h30.
taking on Bowser Jr. and Wario, which is information we absolutely have not seen.
Il est temps d'y aller.
Bowser Jr. makes sense. It was pretty relevant to the story of the game.
Zendergate.
Is pretty interesting. Obviously, these movies don't strictly follow
Ah oui, parce que là, on va être proche. Ah, you arrived. C'est qui? It's a pleasure to see you again, Lieutenant General. Likewise, it's been a month since I last saw you. Seems also surreal to see you standing there in the military academy uniform, though this is the first time I've seen the Thors assemble in red. This is the color they use for my class, Class 7.
It looks like he's pretty high up in the Imperial Army.
Yeah, I'm betting he's the Lieutenant General in charge of Zendergate.
He seems quite close to Gaius.
An Imperial General with an eye patch, that seems familiar somehow. These must be your classmates? Indeed. These are about half of my classmates for Class 7. I'm Rain Shorter. It's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Alistair Reinford, sir.
Toi, on s'en fout.
I'm a Milstein, sir.
On n'a pas besoin de savoir ton nom. You says Alberel. It's an honor. Seems like your classmates are as interested a bunch as I heard. Lieutenant General Zex Vander. I'm Zex Vander, commanding officer of the Imperial Army's 3rd Armored Division. Pleased to finally meet you. One-eyed Zex?
So you're one of the guardians of the Arnor family. Oh, it seems you already know of me. A guardian of the Arnora family? Ah, now I remember. The Vanders are a celebrated military family responsible for the protection of the Imperial family. And one Isaac Vander is said to be one of the Imperial Army's finest generals. They say the Vander and the Arcee schools of swordsmanship are the two most renowned styles in Erebonia. It's truly an honor to meet you, sir. I'm just a military man, hardly deserving of quite that level of praise. I love to hear about all of you and your excursion to the Highlands, but unfortunately we don't have the time. You should set out as soon as possible if you want to reach the settlement by nightfall. I agree. Were you able to take care of all the arrangements? I did, rest assured. Pourquoi vous êtes curieux? What arrangements? We need to head out now if we want to reach Gaius' home by sundown, right? Right, which is why I asked the Lieutenant General to arrange some transportation for us. Alright, just follow me and I'll show you the way. Montre-nous le chemin, s'il vous plaît. Wow. Y'a quoi? Wow. Mais c'est magnifique cet endroit. Il y a un tas de montagnes partout. Et autour c'est North Highlands. Nous sommes arrivés, let's go. It's simply breathtaking. I had no idea a land so beautiful lay at the far end of the railway. Honestly, I suppose words are woefully and insufficient in the face of just such majesty. Glad to hear you think so. Huh? Eh les chevaux! Horses, are you seeing? We're to travel to the settlement on horseback. The Highlands are way too cast to cover in any reasonable length of time on foot. You'll be fine. You're a member of the riding club, and Reen and Elisa both have riding experience, right? Yeah, I think I can manage. I learned back at home, so I should be okay as long as we aren't making any tricks, jumps, or anything. I'm afraid I've never ridden the horse before. Force à toi, Milstein. Force à toi. Not a problem. You can just hitch a ride on the back of someone else's horse. Elisa would probably be the best choice considering the balance of height. I can do that. Is that alright with you? Je vais gifler si tu dis ça encore une fois. Yes, although I do feel a little bit nervous. Bah t'as qu'à être timide, je m'en bats les steaks. Let's mount up at once then. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire, Judith? Okay, steady now, steady. This is a fine horse. Are you doing bad? Okay back there? Redis ce mot, je t'ai dit que je vais te gifler. Yes, I'm fine, I think. Make sure to hold on tight when we start moving. Mais de un, pourquoi Milstein t'es sur le cheval de Alisa, Madame Gustava? This should be a fun trip. They're all top quality horses raised there in the Highlands. At a good clip, should be able to reach the settlement in under an hour. Oh, and before I forget, I'm sure guys won't have such much need of this, but the rest of you, take a map of the Highlands. A map? Wow! Such a high level of detail. It looks like as though the army surveying expertise is being put to good use. Indeed, I hope it'll prove useful during your field study. Thank you very much, sir. Alright, that's about it for me. You should be heading out. May the blessing of the winds and the goddess be with you. Give my regards to the elder and lacking. We will. Thank you for seeing us off, sir. If you'll excuse us then. Youpi!
les amis!
This is worlds apart from the bustle of the city.
Really is. I feel like I'm one with the wind. Indeed, but if you didn't go too fast, that would be great.
On va aller plus vite qu'eux et comme ça tu tombes.
Will feel natural in time. No doubt the riding club would be fuming with envy if they could see us now. I'll bet.
C'est excitant!
My home settlement is due northeast of here. Hopefully we'll be able to reach it before sundown. Right.
C'est là-bas? Allez, bougeons vite! How to ride the horse. Horseback riding controls are largely the same as though for regular moving. Use the left stick to move and dash by pressing the R button. On va s'arrêter pour cet épisode, les gars. J'espère que ça vous a plu. On se dit à la prochaine. Ciao, ciao, les amis!